and welcome to Cottrell Books.
We are going to do another science experiment, and all you need is dish soap,
Some dish soap,
a Q-tip, some milk, and a plate.
and this. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to pour the tiniest bit of milk onto the plate.
Not very tiny.
This. You can see the milk.
Then you need food dye.
Oh, and you need food dye. Sorry, we forgot that little ingredient. And
What is the dish soap for again?
remember you.
Oh, yeah, you're beautiful. Yeah, I get that.
If you didn't see the video, we did a pepper video with water, pepper, and some normal soap. This is kind of like it, but much cooler. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take some food dye and put a bunch of different colors of food dye right in the middle of the plate. Right. Make sure to get it right in the middle. Maybe not on the edge, right in the middle. So we got our food dye there. Now, Phoebe, it's good. Okay, now what you're going to do, this is the cool part. Okay, you need, I guess we can just squirt it on. Can you do this?
No.
And we need to dip this here. Just open the lid. Phoebe, open the lid.
Oh, yeah, it's too hard.
Okay, we're going to open the lid. Okay, and give me the Q-tip. We're going to
Can I put it on now?
No, Calla is going to do it. Okay. Now, Calla, grab the Q-tip. Okay, and put this down. And put it right in the center of the food dye.
Look at that. That's good.
Keep on pushing it down. It'll keep on going. Look at that.
Doesn't it look like a glass thing?
The blue turns into... Oh, I love the blue color. It's so cool.
Probably do some on this side.
Okay. Oh, you're spitting.
Oh, sorry.
What? Look at that. Here, try doing it like on these edge parts.
We don't really
Yeah. Look how cool that looks. Here,
if you
can I
want
try?
an effect, do that.
Whoa.
If you want a natural effect, look at that.
It just turned black.
I'm going to add a little bit more. Yeah. Let Phoebe do some.
Can I do some? Look at that. It's so pretty. You can take a picture of this and use it for like a background of a phone. That would look so cool.
Now it's just turning into a bunch of blobs.
Yeah, now it's turning into brown. Okay, stop adding food dye.
Yeah, see?
Well, thanks for watching. Hope you do it at home.
Oh, wow. It shows it like black in this video.
No, that's just the lighting that we see it. Okay, thanks.
My dad has to see this.
He can just watch the video.